Suzuki just went big, really big. The RMZ 1050 takes everything we love about motocross DNA and unleashes it on a whole new scale. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050, a bike that pushes boundaries in ways we didn't expect. Let's dive in. Design. Starting with design, Suzuki kept the aggressive RMZ styling we know, but scaled it up beautifully. The bodywork is angular and purposeful, built for both function and visual impact. Slim plastics, a flat seat profile, and sharp graphics give it unmistakable presence. The frame geometry prioritizes agility despite the larger displacement. Ground clearance remains generous, and ergonomics feel natural whether standing or seated. It's bold without being overdone. Performance. Performance is where things get exciting. The 1050cc parallel twin engine delivers serious grunt across the entire rev range. Low-end torque pulls hard, while the top end stays lively and responsive. Power delivery is smooth yet punchy, perfect for varied terrain. Suspension travel is generous, soaking up rough trails confidently while remaining composed at speed. The chassis feels nimble, defying its size when things get technical. Tech features are well considered. Suzuki includes multiple traction control settings, selectable power maps, and a compact digital display. ABS can be disengaged for off-road freedom. It's purposeful technology designed for real-world riding, not gimmicks. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050 proves Suzuki still knows how to take risks and deliver excitement. What's your take? Is bigger better? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest reviews. See you next time.